guys, I'm Ciella, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a lip scrub. And if you don't know what a lip scrub is, it's a scrub like the ones that we use for our body, for our skin, but this one is for our lips, so it's a kind of different thing. And if you don't know, what does it do? It's to exfoliate your lips, it's to give color to your lips, so if you have really pale lips, you can have pinkish ones by using it thrice a week, and it's to make your lips moist. So this is the video where I'm going to teach you how to make it. Now let's go on to the tutorial. So first of all, you're going to need a container. Second, you're going to need a virgin coconut oil. Third, a sachet of vanilla, cotton buds, and also sugar. And last, you're going to need honey, any kind of honey. So the first step is adding coconut oil into the container, just one pump. Then add a drop of honey. After you're done, add sugar into the container. Then add more sugar. After that, add more honey so it'll moisturize your lips when you use it. Then mix it with cotton bud. Then open up the vanilla sachet and add all of it into the container. When you're done, mix it again. Just stir it slowly so it can mix well. If you think it still needs more honey, you can add a little bit, but don't add too much. Once you're done, it'll supposed to look like this. Not too wet, but not too dry. And you can use this as your lip scrub 2 until 3 times a week to get red lips and also moisturized ones. So that was my short tutorial on how I make my own lip scrub, and I hope you liked it.